Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. Keep this in mind that the price of natural gas can move further upside because we have seen a swing is trying to form. So there is high chances that we can see the price of natural gas can go upside. Before that, you have to understand how the natural gas price is moving. The natural gas price was very volatile and it was moving in this particular zone for a period of July 21 to a level of December 20, January of 23. Okay, this is the range, and once this range breaks downside, probability is very high. We can see it can fall further down, or if this range break upside, probability of going further upside is there. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, this is the natural gas price is moving in this zone and it is trying to move upside. As you can see, 3 days we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, and chances are very high that we can see it can go further high because there is a probability a swing is forming, so chances of going further upside is there. Before we move forward and ahead, if you have any doubt, you can mail me regarding natural gas or any other commodities, even stocks. You can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that. See, a swing is forming at this particular level, and you have to understand something, that whenever there is a trend, okay, whenever it hits its previous high, we have seen it makes a new high and it falls further down. Okay, and this is being repeated for quite some time, 3-4 times. Okay, and after that it tries to create a swing at this level, and from there it makes a new high going upside. So now what we have seen, it is trying to make a swing, so probability can be high that it can go further upside. So what we can see, the next resistance coming at around $2.684. okay, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can go towards a level of $2.804. Suppose if the price sustain above that particular zone, we can see it can touch a level of $3, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $3.26. Suppose if the price sustain above that particular zone, it can go further upside towards a level of $3.5, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 3.7. Keep this in mind, once it started going upside towards 3.7, then we can see a level of $3.9. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of around 3.9. After 3.9, what we can see, it can touch a level of 4.1, and I have already explained you that the price comes towards a level of 4.1, there is a gap theory will form, and a probability of touching 4.3 is on a higher side. So keep this in mind. Okay, now understand something, the market for natural gas is very volatile. Overall trend is downside, but it was moving very in a volatile range, as you can see. Okay, and this is the period where the volatility was very high. Now it is trying to go upside. As we can see, it is trying to form a swing, but you cannot blindly trust that the market will go upside or downside. It moves in a volatile range. Okay, so you should not blindly follow that there is a, so always try to reduce your quantity to half, increase or SL before hitting your target. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, the next support we can see coming at around $2.563, and if that level move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around 2.4. Suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, chances of touching $2.34 is there, and once it move below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 2.320. okay, and suppose if the price fall below that particular zone, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $2.27. okay, and once the price fall below $2.27, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $2.150. okay, and once the price fall below $2.150, then chances of touching a level of around $2 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1.85. okay, and once the price fall below $1.85, then we can see it can go towards a level of $1.68, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of $1.5. Keep this in mind, once the price fall below a level of $2.0, then only we can see it can fall further down. Otherwise we have not seen that the trend can go further down, because we have seen a swing is already forming here. Okay, so understand something, that you should not blindly follow that the market trend is going upside. You can just guess that yes, a probability is that it is moving upside, but the market is volatile, so you have to reduce your quantity if it is volatile with your increase SL and targets. Okay, so that it should not hit your SL before hitting your targets. Okay, now understand something what I teach in my workshop. Okay, now overall trend is trying to form a swing, so we can see it can go further upside, but if it goes below a level of 2.5, chances are high it can break this particular zone, and a probability is there that it can come in this zone. So probability is very high at touching a level of $2.3 to a level of 2 and then further down. Okay, now what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is $1,000 to $1,500. Risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Okay, now suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum loss you can do is $500, that is 100 per trade. Okay, now this 100 per trade, what is the benefit of 100 per trade? That it will not be in your mind, or it will not affect your psychology if you lose 500, but if you lose 5,000, then it will affect your psychology, because this is the problem where the property, suppose if you lose 500, then you try to recover it, and in that process you lose full capital. This is what people do. Okay, so if you want to attend my workshop, then I teach how to overcome all these things. Okay, I teach how to psychologically trade, how to analyze the market, and to enter, when to exit, all these things. If you want to attend the workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.